Want to add a valuable certification to your CV completely free? Today, I will show you how to enroll in the Ethics Review of Health Research course and earn your government recognized certificate step by step. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for free certification courses, medical education content, and career development tips. First, visit the Swayam platform and sign in using your account. If you don't have any account yet, create one using your email address. Search for Ethics Review of Health Research and enroll in the course. Once enrolled, you will be taken to the course dashboard. Start by watching the introductory lecture. This gives an overview of ethical principles and their importance in health research. Go through the course details, objectives, and learning outcomes carefully before moving to the learning modules. The course provides reading materials, presentations, and reference resources. Take some time to review these materials as they will help you answer the assignments. After completing the learning content, proceed to the assignment section. Read each question carefully and select the most appropriate answers. No rush. Think twice while answering. Most questions are based on research ethics, informed consent, participant safety, confidentiality, and ethical review procedures. Don't rush. Understand the concepts is more important than simply completing the quiz. The course also includes expert lectures that explain real world ethical challenges in research. These examples make the concepts much easier to understand. Once all
Hello.
modules are completed,
Welcome to this online course for members of ethics
once
committees.
all the modules are
I'm going to
completed,
cover today
attempt the
some
final
basic
assignment.
principles
Make
related
sure
to
you have
health
answered
research
the
ethics.
study materials
I will
before
start with
submitting your
explaining to you
answers.
what health
Once
research
review
is
the
all about.
study material,
Then
you
try
can
to
answer
understand what are
all
the
the
major
questions carefully and correctly. Each module or each section has a quiz finally. Congratulations! As you see, the course process is now 100% complete. After completing, you will receive the certification on the particular date mentioned in the dashboard. You will receive an e-certification on the particular date. After successfully completing all requirements, you can download your course completion certification and add it to your resume, LinkedIn profile, or if you found this tutorial helpful, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more free certification opportunities. Thank you for watching. See you next time in the next video. That's for now. You will receive the certificate to your email. Don't forget to check your junk mails